Hello, this is Raina with Lylo Crafts coming on today as part of the 12 Months of Christmas collaboration that is hosted by Leslie Bromfield as well as Jessica Marvell. And there are 20 incredible makers that are participating in this collab. And what it is on the 25th of every month, we will be posting a Christmas project under a special prompt. And so this month, the prompt is snow. And so I am going to show you 7 different ways that I use snow in different projects. And I apologize for my voice, but I am actually quite sick. But I didn't want to miss out on posting for this incredible collab. So I will put a link to everyone's channels in the description box below. Please go and check them out, or also use the hashtag 12 months of Xmas to find them. So the first one that I'm using is an embossing folder. And as I'm trying to be really good about using things that I haven't used in a while or haven't even used at all, this is a Zizix embossing folder that I used for this project. And look, for those of you who haven't used embossing folders in a while, look how beautiful that is, how it raises everything up. So all the snow is raised, and then this Believe and Wonder comes from this stamp set that I hauled from Frank Garcia's studio, and it is from Laura by Laura is her name. So this is my first one. So I did this card. Secondly, the thing that I love to use on everything is stickles. So I use stickles on this, and then I always also use like a Wink of Stella pen. This is actually from scrapbook.com and not Wink of Stella's, but that's it has the same kind of thing. It has like a shimmer. So for this, Terry O inspired me to do something very simple. She said, you know, she wants to make flat cards because postage is so expensive now. And so this is a flat card. I just used one of the cut-aparts from one of the paper pads that I had, and it says "Snow Much Fun," and I thought that would be just perfect for the snow theme. And then I used these diamond stickles for the snow, and then I also used that Wink of Stella to make like a snow just in the background, like a shimmer on the snowman and also in the snow. So that is project number 2. Project number 3 is actually using glitter. And so this is a glitter snowflake, and I've got this layered up to say "Let It Snow." Has this sweet bird with a scarf on, as well as a little kid all bundled up with snow. And then I put snowflakes, color coordinating snowflakes in the background. So I thought that was fun. Okay, so for number 5, I'm using this tool, this snowy tool that I hauled from the Dollar Tree, and it has snowy flecks on it. And so what I did was I created these paper snowflakes. Aren't those so pretty? And these are from a die. This is the die. And I hauled this die off AliExpress. And so I used the tool in the background here, and I tried to do a really soft tone on tone. So this one says "Have a Merry Christmas," and then I added 3 little of these glittery bells to the bottom. So I thought that was really, really sweet. And then you could also put the snow on the top if you didn't, if you wanted a little bit more flatter look. And so for this one, I just stamped a really pretty, it has like a, what do you call it? Like a holly berry sprig. And so I put the little jingle bells where the holly was, and then I added the sentiment that says faith, hope, and peace. So that's number 5. And then number 6 and number 7 are around utilizing this Aleene's True Snow, and then also using this diamond dust. And diamond dust is very similar to like chunky glitter, I do have to say. But I've had these both in my stash for several years, so I wanted to get those out. So just the snow by itself, I put on this bow. Hopefully you can see that. You can see that it is three-dimensional. It's kind of similar to using like a puffy paint, but you can mold it any way you want. And then I added it to this candy cane embellishment as well. And I put it only on the top because I figured that would be how the snow would fall if this were outside. I could also add some snow to the top of the candy cane, so I will probably do that as well to tie it together. And then this last one is utilizing the snow and the diamond dust. So I think you can see that sparkle and shine. Diamond dust does add a lot of really pretty shine, and it's also thicker because I use that snow. So that is it. Those are my project shares for today under the prompt snow, and I hope you will come back next month and check it out, and check all of the other incredible collaborators out as well. So thank you so much, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.